Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have some friend mail, y'all. I have already cut this open. This is from my dear friend Brenda Bolt. She's a subscriber, and she sent me a package. And she recently sent me something, y'all, so I was not expecting anything. She sent me a little note to let me know it was coming. And she said it's just a little something, but y'all, look at the size of this thing. So I did cut it to get in. And I'm going to start taking things out. There's a little note. Let's see. Sometimes notes are personal, so I'm going to see what it says first. Okay. Hey, Mary. Hope this finds you doing awesome. Spring is finally here. Yay. Okay. Oh, she's included some of my favorite masks. Okay. Oh, all right. So she talks about some things that we're going to open. So let's see. I have this out first, and then I will keep going. Okay. Ooh, I love these masks. These are some of my favorites. Honey Brenda. These, you know, I give these away a lot, and I do love them too. These are the Honey Jarrett, and Honey Jarrett has several that I know of. They have a rose. They have a honey lemon, I think it is. And this green apple. And the green apple is my favorite. The mask itself is nice and thin. It stays on nice. And it smells really good too. So there are 5 in here, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Let's look and see. Yeah. There are 5 in here. I'll do this soon on a Mask Monday. There are 5. And it's just a really nice mask. If you all have had the opportunity to try it. It's often in the Boxycharm drop shop. So I'm not sure what we're going to, you know, we've only had now one drop shop with Ipsy. So I'm not sure what we're going to see. I don't think I saw any masks in this last drop shop, in the April drop shop. I don't think I did. So I'm hoping that they'll have it. But, you know, hoping that they're just getting used to what they're doing, and, you know, we'll have more, because they had a lot of things, but not as many as when Boxy had the drop shop. So we'll see how it goes. But I love those masks. They're very, very nice. Okay, and then there's some other things in here. Okay, let me get everything out. I'll move that over here. There is some Ren product in here. Ren brand. Now, I have had Ren, the brand Ren before, but not very much. So Brenda says that, she said, I've heard you talking on one of your videos that sometimes you have redness, and give this Ren a try. So sometimes I do, you know, like, I won't say rosacea, because I have some friends that have rosacea, and it doesn't come in, well, maybe it comes and goes. I don't think I have that. I sometimes have some red on my cheeks, you know, some splotches, and maybe it is rosacea, but a couple of friends that have it, they have it more than they not have it. And you know what I mean? So this brand, Ren, is an excellent skincare brand. And I've only had a couple of products from them before. This one is called Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. Clean to the skin and clean to the planet. Very nice. Helps restore stressed skin. If anybody's stressed, I definitely have stress. I definitely have stress. This is 100% recyclable glass bottle. Pump made, okay, and it tells you all about that. It tells you about skin type, sensitive, reactive, or redness-prone skin. So let's see what that bottle looks like. Ren has got everything going for it. It's vegan. It's got a lot of things. There's some mushroom. Well, let's look. I'll read the bottle later. There's a lot of information. This bottle isn't a waste like some bottles. This has a lot of information on it. Let me get it open if I can, and we'll look at it. It has a nice kind of double seal. Oh, that looks beautiful. That's a pretty glass bottle, and it's a pump, and it is a cream. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it looks really nice. I love to smell things, so it doesn't really have a scent, which is good, especially if you have sensitive skin. You don't really want perfumes on your face. So it looks like a nice cream, and I love glass. So I will start using that right away. Thank you, Brenda. I really like that. I've not heard of that particular one. I know the product line. And then, hey, Smudge, you coming up to see? Ooh, oh, these are beautiful. It says, and when I saw these hand towels, I automatically thought of you, and you'll know why. Thank you, Brenda. You're so sweet. Look at how pretty these are, y'all. They're honeybees. I love, y'all know how obsessed I am with towels and blankets and, you know, textiles. I love fabric and I don't sew. So you would think as much as I love fabric, I should sew. These are beautiful. There's 2 and they're real heavy, nice terry cloth, cute fringe, and they have honeybees on them. So my honeybee, you know, I really miss her, y'all. I guess that's just normal. We miss our pets for a long time after they're gone. Smudge, he's after the bag. So I love them, Brenda. Thank you so much. Look at how pretty they are, y'all. I'm gonna put them into rotation right away. They're beautiful. I love towels, and I always have. I have one on my oven handle. I have one on my refrigerator handle. I have one at my sink. I have a hook at the sink. I really like to have towels because I'm always using them, always using them. So thank you so much, Brenda. This is so sweet of you to think of me. She's a real sweetheart, y'all. And if you don't know her, you'll see her in the comments. And it says, love and hugs to you and the boys, always Brenda. Thank you, Brenda. She's just sweet. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing these beautiful gifts. Thank you. Smudge is coming over to see them as well. And just y'all take care of yourselves, and it's just so good to see you. It's so good to have you here. I just love talking to you, and I love having friendships with y'all. I really do. It means so much to me. And to Smudge, he loves y'all too. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. You gonna say something, Smudge? I wish he'd talk to y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye. Whoa, Smudge.